To save time cutting meat into thin slices, this machine will be your savior. It will help you create beautiful, attractive pieces of meat and is easy to use for dishes. Fresh chicken breast is one of the precious and popular cuts of meat in cuisine. Not only is it a valuable ingredient for dishes, fresh chicken breast is also considered a nutritious and low-fat source of protein. Pancakes, with their soft beauty and sweet aroma, are a work of art in the culinary world. Looking at it, you will see a golden outer shell with small smooth grooves, creating a perfect shape. Modern and automatic system equipment, designed to create sweet soft candy bars with diverse and attractive flavors. By using advanced technology and processing processes, this line helps create high-quality products while ensuring uniformity in each candy bar. By combining different ingredients such as meat, vegetables, cheese, sauce, and spices, sandwiches provide a rich and diverse culinary experience. Have you tried yet? The use of cake-forming machines makes the production process more efficient, reduces dependence on labor, and ensures accuracy and uniformity in the final product. The perfect combination of the sweet, soft taste and pleasant aroma of the cake makes each piece of cake irresistible. With robust processing ranging from 800 to 1,800 kilograms per hour. The vacuum cleaner is not perfect for filling different liquids, even products with high viscosity. These machines have harvested thousands of tons of olives to produce olive oil. Tons of bell peppers have been prepared efficiently and safely. Maybe you don't know yet, because of this modern machine, the processing of shrimp is faster. The production line of dryers and ginger mills. How to make tomato sauce. The process of harvesting and processing tomatoes using modern technology. Surprised? An overwhelming mass production site in a giant ham factory. Pro-bake manufacturing and manufacturing equipment. The process of mass-producing delicious food. It's extremely relaxing. Well, this proves the old saying, if you knew how they were made, you would never eat them. But again, it also made me want to light the oven. With high flexibility in automation, the Amory's potato washing line is an ideal solution for manufacturers and the food industry. It not only enhances product performance and quality, but also reduces production costs and increases reliability in the production process.